Alright, family, who's ready for pool day?
I do, Daddy.
Alright, let's go.
Yay. That was fun.
Call us I can sit in the chair.
What do I do, Daddy?
Oh, I was unraveling a towel.
Alright.
Huh.
I went to get in that pool. And it's so fun out there.
Yeah. Oh, we'll get in a minute, son.
Alright, I'll help you.
Thanks, son.
Flat.
Yeah, just flat out.
Okay. Okay. This is how we should do it. Okay. Alright. Don't worry. If teamwork made the dream one, then everything would be fun. Alright, take the towel right there, like that. Like so. And this.
Okay.
And then go over here and got that corner, put that corner down, pull it that side. And then we do this. And then we can lay down on it now.
Oh, yeah. It'll be nice.
Ah! What a beautiful day.
What's he say for now? Oh, well.
Oh.
Those people came to ruin our beach day.
Ew! What are those?
I don't know. I think they fell in the paint.
Why are they all green?
I think they're like witches or something. Cause you know sometimes they're green with warts.
Ew! Poor.
Oh, let's hope they don't get in the pool and ruin it.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Let's rest on our blocks.
Yeah. I rest on blocks.
Ah.
Don't worry, man. I help you.
Oh, thank you.
Hold on.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, thanks, man.
You're welcome, dude.
Hey, I have an idea. Let's sing Rainbow Connection.
Alright.
Dun.
Dun 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 dun.
Wow,
Right.
there's so
So
many songs about
rainbow.
and
And
what's
on the other side, rainbows are hidden, but only a little. Rainbows have nothing to hide.
Oh, are you okay? I'm trying to sleep. Oh, okay, let's try it now. Really quick though.
Yay!
What are they doing?
They're making so much noise and ruining our beach day.
Yeah.
This was a day just for us.
Yeah. They got here.
Yeah.
I'm green, but I'm not that green. I'm a green ham, green shirt. My skin's not green.
I'm yellow. At least I don't look like that. Oh, hey, there's a giant T in the sky. Yeah, we're getting distracted.
Oh yeah.
Let's see how they like this next break.
Yeah.
Oh, what lovely. Ah! Oh, the cold water. I don't like it. Haha, take that.
Yeah. Fun.
Yeah. I'm gonna get some more.
Yeah.
I don't want to be wet anymore.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, I know. Let's have a fun way of drying off.
Okay.
That should stop them from having any fun.
Yeah.
Here, I have a fun way to dry off.
Okay. Wow. I feel better, Daddy.
No, I have a great idea. Follow
Yeah?
me this way.
What idea, Daddy?
Okay, just look at the sunset.
Wow. It's so pretty.
Yep, and the sun should help us dry off.
Wow.
It's moments like these that are unforgettable.
I know. Isn't it great?
Yep, tagger it.
I'm gonna get you. Tagger it. You never get me.
What are those two happy idiots doing?
I don't know.
Are they playing tag?
Oh.
How am I supposed to hear anything with this guy?
Are you at Daddy?
I'll look at you. I was supposed to do anything with these two annoying idiots ruining our fun.
I don't know. What a couple of guy Karens think.
I have a great idea.
Yeah.
Tag. Hey, where are you taking me?
Ah!
That will take care of them.
Yep.
Now time to back to our fun beach day.
Mama. Daddy, that wasn't very nice.
Well, sometimes there are not nice people in the world, son.
What can we do about it?
Hey, what's that?
Yeah, where is that?
Let's go see.
It's a puppy. Oh, it's so cute and fluffy. What's her name?
Oh, I think I have a collar.
I don't think into the home. Can we keep with Daddy?
Sure. What should we name her?
Lily.
Okay. Lily, welcome to the family.
Welcome to the family, Lily.
Wait, what are we gonna do with her with those two big mean bullies around?
How about we, prank them?
Yeah. They pranked us. It's only fair if we prank them back.
Uh-huh. Holy Daddy.
Come on, son. We're gonna prank these pranksters.
Uh-huh.
Let's see what's the plan.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, so what I have an idea.
Uh-huh.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna, well, when they're sleeping.
Mama. Mama.
Alright, so now's our time to strike. Just need the net, so can you pick up the net?
Okay.
We're gonna scoop them up.
Hey, what are you doing?
Okay. Hey, don't up yet. Now we put the net back. Cause our lifeguard is sleeping anyway. He won't notice anything that's going on. Okay. Now we now we take the dog and let her do her thing.
Well.
Good girl. Good girl.
Hey! Why
Why?
are we covered in dirt?
Yeah. How you get here? But anyway.
I don't know.
I think I know.
That's the most
Those three green, ugly monsters.
Looks like I have warts all over him. Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, that's not nice.
Hey, that's not very nice.
We don't care about fair and nice. You ruined our pool day. Now you're gonna pay. Look at those green losers.
Something, Uncle.
Who ruined my nap?
Oh.
You think it's funny to ruin my nap and mess with my nephew? Go, brothers! And stay out!
Thanks, Uncle.
You're welcome. I wonder if they have Chipotle here. Well, seems like good things came to us after all. We got a dog and a feed the bully guys. I don't really know who they were.
Yeah, I think there are a couple of boy Karens.
They look so weird.
Uh-huh.
If you understand a tan skin but yellow skin, what is wrong with it? That guy had brown hair and a black mustache. That doesn't make any sense. Seems like nothing bad happened. Two guys are just resting over there like normally, and this family's having a good time laughing. Well, guess nothing bad happened today. Well, that's all, folks.
That's all, folks. Yay!